Good morning, people. This is Mr. Mayor. So this morning we're gonna talk about the state and church. You understand? So we are gonna ask a question. Yeah, me I ask a question. So who know the answer? Just get in the message box and message me. You understand? Yeah, man. More on the whole world. If you know what are going on in the world. You understand? So why then compare the church to the state? Yes, people, may I tell you, that is a serious thing, when you compare the church and the state for run the country or run the world. 'Cause basically, is that run the world. You understand? Church and state. You understand? So, when you look back, when two things combine together, you understand? Because when I look back on even some president and some prime minister, which one of them you think, you understand? I people may talk to know, want go to heaven. You understand? Because a two set of people run the earth is the government and the church, or the church and the state. You understand? Because when I really look back down, break down what I go on in the system, breaking down the state and the church back to righteousness, to go back to God, like said, we want to go to heaven. Because that's how we learn. You understand? If you do good and do, you understand? You're going to go to heaven. You understand? But the Bible said no rich man nor enter in heaven. And read a camel go through an eagle eye. More than the rich man to enter in heaven. You understand? So more have to know now how that go. Because remember, the church work with the state. And the state work with the church. You understand? And the church said we all gonna go to heaven. You understand? So the Bible states it's rather a camel go through the eyes of an eagle more than a rich man enter in a heaven. You understand? And when you look on both of them now, both the church and the state, both of them collect money from your peer. You understand? And if you should have checked where the state collect from your peer, it's a practically 10% of where you work. You understand? If you do the maths. And if you do the maths with the church collect 10% too. You understand? But the difference with the government and the church, the government build hospital. You understand? If you take sick, you can run to the hospital and and maybe you get an injection and some tablet. You understand? The government build road that we can drive man. You understand? And walk man properly. The government do lighting, look about the lighting, run water. You understand? So would I say the government do a lot of good things. You understand? So now I am looking at what the church do. You understand? Yeah, what the church do. Alright, me is a part of the church. You understand? Me can tell a man what me do. When me get peer, I help a less fortunate from my peer. I mean, me go around and beg money and give to people. Me give somebody something from my peer. You understand? So I want to tell me in every community and every country, what did your church do to the people? You understand? And what your government do to the people. Me name out some things. You understand? Because the church supposed to do some things too. You understand? Because if you and the government run the state and run the world, we want to see what the church do. You understand? Differently from the part where we know say Jesus doing at the church. You understand? Because sometimes you're sick, Jesus heal you. You understand? God will make you get a job, He will make you get a house, and get even a car of vanity. God do that. So I want to know where the minister them do. You understand? That is my question. So I want to know if I comment people. Yeah. Remember subscribe and share, cause the argument you not done, You understand? This a part one. Subscribe and share. Mr. Mayor is out.